On 66, Brandon Carlson, like I said, from Victorville, has the Dreamsicle Punisher Wild Thing kit. Flying on a K456 Dark Matter, has an altimeter and radio tracker altimeter deployed at 1100 feet. Moving out to pad 67, Taylor Jesse from Kansas City, Missouri, has a Wildman Punisher. Flying on a K456 5-pound rocket. Hey, we have something going on. Oh, yeah, okay. And then Shane Harris from Victorville, California, on pad 68, has a 3-inch Punisher. Flying on a K456 Dark Matter. These are all Dark Matter motors. These are all same size rocket, same everything. So this is a true drag race. And we're going to send Brandon's rocket up, and Taylor's rocket up, and Shane's rocket up. It's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
19 classic Aerotech White Lightning motor in it. This should be spectacular, dual deploy, mains at 5 and 700 feet. Good luck, Ryan. We're going to launch your rocket on pad 61. The sky and range are clear. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, the fast jack was fast and the slow white is really thinking about it. Did you do that, Charlie? That's a P-band red propellant, a little over 4,000 Newton seconds, dual deploy, made at 900 feet. Good luck, Bruce, on pad number 71, going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go.
Yeah, these things are so big, I wonder if you're waiting.
Arcing over at the top. Nice smoke drain. Love that. And there's a puff, and its turn looks like it's underdrove. All right, nice. Okay, it's called Space Lord. It's got an N as in Nancy 3300 red motor in it. It's got a GPS radio tracker, dual deploy, made at 800 feet on pad number 74. Good luck, Ryan. We're going to launch your N3300 in Space Lord in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's shredded. We're going to have parts coming down in that field behind us.
It stripped well, I thought. I know.
All right, that's coming down over 1.5 seconds. Dual deploy RRC2 Plus and a research altimeter as well. He's got his main coming out at 1,500 feet. Out at pad 88 in the back on the right. The sky is gorgeous and completely clear. The range is clear as well. We're going to launch Brian's rocket off pad 88, going to 40,000 feet in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gonna get every bit of that. 1, fly, Tiger. Snap, crackle, and pop there at the end. Nice putt right at apogee. He's under drove. Beautiful. At 48, we have Steve Grigorski from Page & Post, New York, flying Sugar Rush. It's got J650 what else sugar motor in it. It's dual deploy, made 500 feet on pad number 48. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2, 1, don't blink. Oh yeah. Excellent. All right, you ready, Don? He's ready and set. Let's go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Arcing over. Haven't seen anything yet. Three, two, one. There it is. That's what it's all about, folks. It has a GPS. It has a GPS that is supplied by Alta Spectrum. And it has an easy mini altimeter. So it's got all kinds of cool stuff. It has an altimeter. The altimeter is deploying at apogee. And we're going to send Leslie's rocket up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. This competitor called Seeker off pad 47 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, sir. That was fantastic. Board, so that's very cool. And radio tracking and maybe 600 feet. Out on pad number 81. Good luck, Jim. Going with the test rocket in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Got smoke. Very nice. One long, slow left turn. Looks like he's got GPS telemetry in here, and he's got a Jolly Logic shoe release going off at 500 feet. So the yellow rocket with a black nose cone, pad 31. It's going up on an I-357. Should be a blue motor. We'll see how it goes. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Yeah, that was I-357. And it is arcing over there. Had a 10-second delay on there, so there we go. Got the event there. Pad 53. On pad 53, yellow and looks to be yellow and black rocket out there. It's going up on an AMW K800 Blue Baboon. Wow, I haven't seen one of these in a long time. This would be pretty cool. Radio tracker, altimeter deployed with the main at 800 feet. So Preston, you ready to roll? Yeah. I feel like he's always ready to go. He wouldn't put it out there if he wasn't. Preston, we're launching a rocket off of pad 53. We're going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. He's got a rocket called Kansas Blue Skies. Looks like it's a 9-pound not Wildman kit, and he's very sad about it, it looks like. He's flying it on an L1090. He's got a radio tracker. He's got altimeter deployed with the main at 700 feet. So an L1090 going off of pad 56 in the blue rocket. We've got a clear sky. We've got a clear range. We've got continuity. Bunch of green lights. Ready to go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Yeah, that had a good flame to rocket ratio. That's how you really... Alright guys, got a really cool rocket on the right side of the range here. This is going to be a heads-up flight. It's the first flight of this rocket. This is a heads-up flight. I want everyone to keep their eye on this one. We don't know how it's going to perform. Still new to the family here.
Want to welcome it in gently. We're going to welcome it in gently in the K1800 Super Thunder. That's how we kind of do it in Argonia. This is Taylor Jesse from Kansas City, Missouri. He's got a 7.5-inch sumo, upscale of the Aerotech kit, scratch built, weighing 30 pounds. He's got a radio tracker, and he's got altimeter deploy with the main coming out at 1,000 feet. So I think they're ready over there. They got their cameras, ready to rock and roll. Clear sky, clear range. Large sumo on the right side of the range. Heads up flight, guys. We're going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Oh yeah. Another good flame to rocket ratio. It is arcing over there. There's our event. There we go. Very nice. Nicely done, guys. Very nice.
Try to get video of the main if you can. What sucks is there's no tracker on the booster. I don't know.
All right, guys, let's keep your eyes up. Right above the clown tent here, we've got the sumo coming in. It's coming in under parachute. It's coming in safe. Just keep your eye on it because it is a big rocket. Going to stage to an M, as in my 1550 red motor. I've got onboard video, GPS telemetry, altimeter deployed with main at 1,000 feet. So in the tower, Fred, you ready to go? Fred said he's ready to go. We got a clear sky, clear range. Pad 88 in the tower. We're going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Tower, Fred Taverni, M3500 to M1550. We are staging 2 M motors. Argonia, Kansas, beautiful day. Continuity on the remote box. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Come on, you rascal. There we go. Yep. Yeah, very nice. Those of you who know Fred know that a 2-stage to him is just a walk in the park. He's just, you know. Pad 42 is actually Doug Garcia from El Paso, Texas, with the Aero Be High. Thank you once again. Aero Be High Mad Cow kit, weighing 5 pounds 11 ounces, going up on an I-364 fast jack motor. GPS telemetry, altimeter deployment with the main coming out at 700 feet. Off of Pad 42, Aero Be High, one of my favorite rockets. Good looking rocket. Got continuity in a clear sky, and we're launching you in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Still climbing up there. There's an event, it looks like. And looks like got to shoot. All right. The name of the rocket is Gary 7, and it belongs to Mark. It looks like Mark, I can't see if that's Pearsall or Pearl. I'm sorry if I butchered that. Pearsall. Mark Pearsall from Tulsa, Oklahoma, with the Gary 7s going up on a J575. So it's a nice big smoky motor, big J motor, lots of smoke. He's got altimeter deployment with the main coming out at 700 feet, and he's also got GPS telemetry. So off Pad 52, we've got continuity, we've got a clear sky and a clear range. We're launching your rocket, Mark, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Nope, from Spring, Texas, with the Punisher 4, one of my favorite kits. Wildman Punisher 4, 8-pound rocket going up on an Aerotech K550, one of the classic motors and a classic kit. It's got altimeter deploying with the main coming out at 1,000 feet. And we have continuity off of pad 53, yellow and black rocket out there. Punisher, 4-inch going on a K550. We're flying Brett's rocket off pad 53 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Colorado Springs, Colorado. It's got the Blueberry Goblin. It's a lot Goblin. It's the blue and black rocket out there on pad 54. It's going up on an Aerotech J350. And the rocket weighs about a little over 5 pounds, so this will be a nice flight. It's got GPS telemetry with the Jolly Logic Pop-It 500. So he doesn't have to walk too far to get it back. Juan, good luck to you. We got continuity and we got a clear sky and a clear range. And we are launching you in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. L964, total impulse is 4,280 Newton seconds, and it's got a 4.4 second burn time. This is Don Alexander's slow white propellant, and he's got redundant ejection with dual deploy, and his main chute deployment at 1100. So Wayne is ready to go. We got continuity in a clear sky, going up on an EX L964, and we're going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch.
We're gonna give it one shot.
Video tracker on here also. So, pad 48, Tony Johan launching a K1103 propellant X in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. 18,000 Newton seconds. Propellant is a LumaFlame. I'm really curious to see how that performs and how it looks. This is a Raven 4 for electronics, and 900 feet should be the main parachute. So pad 82, full-size Argus. In 5350. Good luck to you, Kyle. We're going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Oh, that was loud. Well, we got some bad. There we go. It's not all bad news. All right. I mean, it's a research end motor, guys. That's a big boy. DeVores, hope I pronounced that right. He's from Illinois. Goblin, a wild man Goblin on an L1940. Oh wow, okay. It's gonna have he's got a radio tracker on here, GPS telemetry, and a main at 900. And then on the other corner, wearing the white trunks, we've got Tim Lear out of Van Oren, Illinois, with a rocket called Kitty's Revenge. It's a wild man kit. It's going up on an Aerotech M2225. This has radio tracker. And this is part of a drag race. We'll do the override on this one in 61 and 66. You guys ready to go, Tim? Thank you. Ready to go. All right, we're ready to go. Drag race, pad 61, pad 66. Yep. Tim versus David in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. One of them went kabooey. Was that you, Tim? I can't take Tim anywhere.